gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing another vegan cuts box. Now they recently redid their box design and I really like this one a lot better. There's the Vegan Cuts logo here and it says here along the side, open the door to vegan. So we are going to open it up, and this is a snack box for those of you who didn't know. So we do have here their little thing. Let's see. This month's box supports Peanut and Friends at Happy Trails Farm Animal Sanctuary in Ohio. So first thing we have here, first thing we have here is K's Protein Past the Peas in maple bacon flavor. Interesting. That's gonna be a good one to try. Maybe one of these days I should just like sample everything that's in the box, but I'm a little afraid to open it up. Okay, this one is Lesser Evil Grain-Free Paleo Puffs, Himalayan salt and apple cider vinegar. Next up we have, ooh, this should probably be refrigerated, huh? What is this? Organic electrolyte drink and a blueberry peach. Ooh, that sounds good. So, oh, organic coconut water and sea salt. That's different. And sea salt. Okay, I feel like sea salt is the theme of this box so far. We'll see. This one is Mojo Crunch Finger Pickin' Barbecue Snack Clusters featuring chili pepper and paprika. Ooh, with nuts, seeds, and ancient grains. That actually sounds really good, but I like spicy stuff, so this one sounds like it would be for me versus me sharing it with the family. I'm gonna be greedy. All right, this one is Savory Wild Portobello Jerky. Ooh, sweet balsamic and golden fig, 100% plant-based. This sounds like it could be amazing. I'm really excited to try this. This one is the Real Dried Aloe Vera and Mango Fruit Snacks. Simple little packaging, but it feels like I can feel a lot of squares in there, but it's really tiny compared to the others, I feel. Oops, almost got the box again. This one feels like it could be like fruit snacks, like for the kids. Fruit Bliss Soft and Juicy Mini Figs. Ooh, organic and dried, pure and simple snacking, sun-dried and rehydrated with water. Interesting, so they dried it and then rehydrated. Okay, that's different. I haven't heard of that before, but sure, that sounds like a process. This one is going to be the Lundberg Family Farms Organic, fully cooked and ready to heat turmeric rice. Ready to go in 90 seconds. Let me check the carbs on this. Ooh, 59 carbs. You guys gotta be careful with the carbs. And let's see. This looks like it's just like a little drink mix or something. Kind of looks like soy sauce packets, honestly. Wouldn't that be funny? Oh, okay. Sriracha, the best hot sauce on earth. Fix, estimated 2014. Get your fix. So, Sriracha from the brand Fix. Yeah. Oh, they gave us a little card this month. And different plants or added sugar. Looks like another coupon for another vegan product, but this is different. They don't normally give us a card. I wonder if I hit an anniversary with them or something. I'm trying to open it. Hey. All right, it says, if I can freaking get it out of the envelope, geez. Just date syrup, rich looks healthy or sweet. Okay, this looks like it's just an advertisement again for another brand. This one would be for syrup. Okay, I guess I should have read it. It's actually another little sample. This one would be the Choose It Better Sugar, low glycemic index, potassium, and antioxidants. Just date syrup. Date syrup. 2 little packs. This I gotta be careful with not to get mixed up with my soy sauce packets because that could be a deal breaker on some meals. but it is cute that it came in an envelope. I really thought it was a card. I think this is a nice touch for their packaging. All right, guys, well, that concludes this month's vegan box. So again, I will have a link in the description below to their website if you guys are curious and want to check it out yourselves. So if you like this unboxing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.